I have received a parcel from the Black Farmer. I believe this is their special Guy Fawkes bundle, which includes sausages, bangers, sausages and crisps, I think. Let me check. Let me see. Oh my god. Right, so yes, the Bonfire Night sausage and snack box. So in here we have got, wow, we have got a whole lot of stuff in a cold pack. There we go. So we have got jerk sausages. These are jerk sausages. Jerk chicken sausages, because they're going to be spicy. Ooh. We have got, let's do the sausages first. Some premium pork sausages. Look at those. They look meaty. And we've got some more jerk sausages. And 3 tubs of Black Farmer crisps. So these are natural sea salt. And these are 100 grams in here. So we've got 3 of those. We've got cheddar and caramelised onion chutney. Oh, they sound like they're going to be my fave. And your favourite, sea salt and Chardonnay wine vinegar. So you get 3 packs of sausages and 3 crisps from the Black Farmer. Now, there's loads of other bundles on there as well. They do a chicken one, a barbecue one, I think, a barbecue glazed one. I'll link it below so you can check them out. But yeah, if you're looking for something for Bonfire Night, some hot dogs and some crisps, I'm sorted. Just got to get some rolls. But yeah, take a look down below in the little yellow basket. Check out the Black Farmer. I'll also tag them in this video too. Thanks to the Black Farmer for sorting out Bonfire Night. You look lovely.